Hi everybody. Hope everybody's alright. So, video I'm doing you. Cars and coffee. If you're bothered. Not this Sunday, following Sunday, 23rd of Feb. There'll be plenty of coffee down here. Hopefully there'll be plenty of people come down in cars. Well, there's all this stuff to see. And workshops in a bit of an interesting place with various bits of paint, cars in. It's in an interesting time. It's not too cluttered, not too untidy. Obviously, I've got big zodies like on welding side, but you can see what you have to weld if you did come. You see what troubles you can get. So, well, like I just said, Sunday 23rd. I'll put that up to the camera so you can see. And there's postcode S64 8 Bravo Echo. So, I'll be here early because I'm always in feeding carts. So if you want to come early, feel free, and then we'll pack up when everybody's had enough and disappears. Simple as that. That's top memory. I mean, some of you must fancy a run out with classics. It don't matter if you don't want to come in classics. Just come down for a look round. Nosy, chat what's going off, what's not going off in classic world. I mean, it's worth coming down here because it's a bit. You might find it a bit different than typical classic place. It's a little bit more, bit in the 70s still. You know, we're in that region. I mean, this morning I've come down in, old lady fired up for me, and I thought I'll fetch her down, so I dragged her down, and well, it goes lovely. This car's for sale, if anybody fancies it. I mean, to be honest, because I've just that many, I can't do them all. I drive this car, as you all well know, because there's videos on it, and drives great. You know, it's got the rat look, because it's been like this. It's a long story how it was like this. It's not me who'd left it like this, but I've just left it. I shoved some bumpers on, put lights back in, and decided to use it. With a shame just stood there idle, but loads of history. You could drive it as it is, you could have it painted, you could do what you want. I could even finish it off for you, because it's a lovely car and it's worth going. But if you want to see it, come down. I'll make sure it's down here with other Zephyrs. And thanks everybody for all commenting you've done on last video, because appreciated. I mean, we've got a lot of comments on them Zephyrs, and I mean, people have been looking, obviously observing. I mean, they're a bit above average sort of cars, to be quite honest. So, but I tend to have a bit above average sort of things. You know, they're not things that are shiny that when you dig into have got problems. But if you come down and you're interested in one, I could explain all that to you. So, well, that's probably about enough for me. We're going on because I'm just telling you, we're doing the cars and coffee. And so, if you like the video, give us a like. Subscribe to the channel. You want to keep up to what is going off, because I've got things a bit more back on an even keel. I've got breathing a bit more under control, so we'll just be cracking on with things, I hope, hopefully. And, well, pass a comment you want to know, or regarding it, or regarding all generally. But if you come down, I mean, just if you come down, if you're not fat, well, you come wherever you want to come from, I suppose. But it's, you know, just have a look round, have a chat. I can tell you ins and outs of what happens with restos, what true cost of restos is, stuff like that. I mean, if you want to drop me a text, or call me, but if you call me, I'll not have your number. I'll not see who you are, so I'll not be able to return without leaving me a message, and that's my email for hotel. So I know it's a bit crude out of these videos, and it's a bit like, well, I don't know, a crude word, prehistoric probably word, a bit like silent movies, isn't it really? But so take care everybody. Anyway, and if you want to come 23rd, I'll see you then. Thanks a lot. Ta-ra.